Struggle pony. Struggle tail. Little oxtail. Still got the bump. Oh, it's not as bad. Do you know what? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sass. Today I am going to be showing you how I get my hair from a high puff into a sleek ponytail, and it's also my 1 year hair day, so happy 1 year hair day to me. Let me show you how long it's got. If you remember when I first started my hair, I told you my hair was this big, and now it's cheek length. That's the front, and the back, what's that, neck. So yeah, I'm super excited. Look at all my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna sleek it all up into one, and then I'm gonna add a ponytail to it, so I'll show you how. Right, so I'm gonna be using this stuff, Gummy, and I'm going to be using Eco Styler, the olive oil one. I actually got this in Jamaica. You see the Jamaicans had. It was like $680. I don't even know how much that works out to be, but it was cheap. I know that was cheap. So I've washed my hair today and I've just combed it out, let it air dry, and I've just combed it. It's still a little bit knotty, but we don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to brush it all up. I've got Tegan here with me as well. Come over. Say hi.
Hi.
And she's combing her doll's hair. Show them your doll teaks.
I've just brushed it out.
This is her
doll.
doll.
Her name is Toya.
This is Toya.
And she talks.
How do you make her talk?
Press her belly. I look just like her.
Do you think you look like her? Like, come closer.
But she just has brown eyes.
You're getting big.
Yeah.
But I can't see you. Come back. Do you think she looks like Toya? Go on, sit down. So I've got a Gummy on my hands now, Tegan. Let's pull it. We're going to put this on. And this product makes sure your hair like stay in place, and that's why I love it. Once I've done my hair like this, I just leave it in for a week, because it's just easier to leave it than to be in it. My hands in it every day. Do I look nice?
Yeah.
Thank you. I like what you're doing to your doll's hair.
Thank you. I've tried to brush it about 5 times.
You did.
She has one more.
Oh.
Just a little one.
So this is how I get it up. Hair bun. You try and tie it as tight as possible. Oh god, we failed already. Let's start again. Why is this part of my hair doesn't want to comply?
What's complying?
It means that it don't want to lay there. It doesn't want to listen. This is gonna be hard work now.
Last time we filmed it, isn't it?
Okay. Looking like it might just work for me. No, it's still bumpy. Oh. This is meant to be easy, you know? Right, I'm gonna just put the gel in it and I'm gonna try one more time. If I fail, then it's not meant to be. Try and make the hairband smaller, see if that helps. Struggle pony. Struggle tail. This is a little oxtail. I've still got the bump. Oh, it's not as bad. Do you know what? I think this can work. Brush it. We just get these little hairs that don't want to lay down flat. Let's put more of this. I actually love the smell of this thing. Gummy gummy. I'll come closer and show you how sweet it looks. So it's going to be all slick. It's going to look like I ain't got no hair when I'm finished. Okay, we're not going to worry too much about the bumps at the back because the pony is going to hide it. So this is how it looks. Some of the hairs off. And that's how it looks. Alright, and I'm going to attach the pony. So this is the ponytail. It's called Instant Pony and it's by Sensational. I'll link it all below in the description bar. I'll just take it out and show you. So it comes like in this little net. Let me take that net off. And it's this type of curl. Okay, let me take the labels off and that. Oh, it's got a gold string. Ouch. So it comes with a drawstring. This little drawstring. That's what you're going to use to tighten it up. So let's open that. And then inside it has 2 clips, one on each side. Looks like a very nice curl, a little bit of colour. So let's try attach it. So I'll just put it on my head. I clip them in. Let's pull it back. And then we're going to use the string. It's so long. And pull it. Move the hair forward to wrap it around to make it tighter. Ooh, it's a little bit tight. And then just fluff it up. And what I normally do is take a piece of the hair like this and just wrap it around.
So me feel big up and rule cause of a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield.
So to me it's a bit more secure.
Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me medication sharp like studs.
Like that, and then there you go. This is me, my pony. It's really long. It reaches like, yeah. So yeah, that's how I go from little puff to do you know me? New hair. Do you know me though? Sorry, what? But yeah, this is the pony. This is it. I love it. It's got me gassed. Nah, I'm joking. But thanks for watching me get my hair from a high path to a struggle oxtail to this long. I ain't gonna stop doing this now. Let's put it to the side. Put it all back. Embrace the 5 head. You're doing too much now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I shall see you in the next one.